If you are visiting Estonia, you have probably heard the same advice: skip Saaremaa. We didn't listen them. Instead, we rode our motorcycles along stunning coastlines and through forest roads, discovering why this island is a rider's paradise. This is what we experienced. Tere! Võtaks mõlemale rattale pileti. Jaa, okei. Kolmandasse. Head õhtut! It's simple as that. Oh, and the ferry is coming. Perfect timing. Wine. So here we go. Kuradi kohast see tuli. Keep your distance, please. Yep, alrighty. Put yourself straight, just straight, like this. Wait. First gear. Yep.
Mainland, Island.
Ready to roll. 25 minutes and done. Stormy. Kilometers per hour. So this is the center of Muhu Island. Diana, where are you? Oh. Ja. Võtta suund välja. Lähme edasi. Sul on kaigas. Näe küll, oota, mul on palav, ma võtan kiivri ära.
When you come to Saaremaa, please come and visit my friends' family farm, Idea Farm. They sell local vinegars, juice, wines, jams, and you can try a lot of things in here also. And a lot of gourmet stuff. When you come here, you can call or just, if the door is open, just go in. The host of this Idea Farm is also biker friendly, and you can come here too and visit. I highly recommend. And if you want something special, you can let them make your own wine actually. If you have your own club and you want special wine, ask for Maria. What are you doing?
I'm doing a rose gem, but I have some lemons and I'm greedy. I don't want to waste it, so I'm peeling the peel and making limoncello. So I will have 2 in 1 and no waste, and it will be delicious at Christmas time to give as gift to my friends. See you.
See you.
Jalad peale.
Ja, aga siin on see, et tule tead.
Jää seisma nüüd.
Ma ei näe ju sinna, noh.
Ei ole kedagi.
Let's start. I have to check my dead cat all the time on my mic. This adhesive glue just don't hold with this heat melting off. Nii, nüüd on iir on hammaste vahel. Nüüd saame sõita. Somewhere between juniper trees. Of course my camera is all down again.
Tuleb seda külje pealt tõmbada õiges asendisse ja tõmbada lihtsalt keerada pingule rohkem. Sealt, jah, just.
What happened?
Water.
What is going on here? I made a little break. Something was wrong. My helmet. It was crushing my head. I just needed a little break and thought that maybe we don't go here and we'd rather go to Kuressaare. Maybe have something to eat. Actually, we have one favorite place where we like to eat. They are making excellent sushi.
Jõuad rahulikult. Suuline park.
Nice vanilla ice cream with strawberry jam and waffles. And behind are our bikes. Nice quiet place in center of Kuressaare.
We are full.
I am full. Me ju parempööret ei tee, me läheme vasakule. Ah, mine mekki.
We are going to the right.
Ei, we are going to the left because see on see ühesuunaline tee.
One way street, yeah, okay.
Thank God.
Not interesting.
Tühi, jah?
Tühi.
Jep.
This old building is the old Kuressaare's bread factory.
So far the best sushi I've eaten. It's so juicy and fresh. The sushi master in here is Mario. And when she's working, it's the best sushi you can get.
Yeah, now we're going to find some place we can spend the night. And I have one camping spot in mind. Let's see if there is any vacancy. It's close to the beach. We are in Nasva, and Nasva is known for its history of boat building, famous for its boat building. Caravan, bungalow, Eramaa. There is a map. Huh?
Tulen sisse, ei tule?
Yeah, come in. I thought you were inside already. Don't be so modest.
Letting the cars pass.
You can stop. Hello.
Hello.
Turn the signal off. What the heck? We are here.
You think?
I don't know. Main road. Yeah. Okay, this is the main road. We came in here. Now we're going. Yeah. By this point, our brains were pretty much fried from the long day on the road, so we just decided to point the bikes towards Sõrve and hope for the best.
I ride our lodging place. It's a nice, clean and comfy place that you can see the very old bike. It's in Estonia, it's võrr. It's a very old one. I have my own valet, as you can see, and the owner's bike, Muravi. very old. Small guest house, but quite many rooms, very clean and nice. This is our little room. We took our gear in. Nice and cozy. Nice Kilton. In the hall. The shower. In here is also the kitchen. If you want, you can use the utensils, everything you need. Stove, kettle, radio, if you like the microwave, everything, and even fridge. If you have your own food, what needs to be refrigerated, you can put it in here.
Honeybees and the wild bees. Up the big fluffy ones. There, big and fluffy one. I love that sound. So therapeutic.
But right now we are here, at the forest tip of the island. Kuressaare. Next we are going, where? The salty dish is coming. Charged fries with crispy chicken. I have a jalapeno and everything.
Chicken.
Chicken burger. Terrified. Mortified, actually. We made it. It's our camping spot. The band.